If Facebook is not sending you the 6-digit verification code, don't worry. This is usually caused by a simple connection issue, a wrong contact detail, or a temporary delay on Facebook's side. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook's 6-digit verification code not receiving, step by step, so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can stop Facebook from delivering the verification request properly, so make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working correctly. If possible, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. Sometimes the problem is not Facebook itself, but just a bad connection preventing the code from coming through. Next, double-check that your phone number or email address is correct. If you're waiting for a code to your email, make sure you typed the right email address and that it is still active. If you're using a phone number, confirm that the number is entered exactly as it should be, including the correct country code. Even a small typo can prevent the 6-digit code from arriving. After that, wait 1 to 2 minutes before trying again. Facebook verification codes are not always instant, and sometimes there's a short delay before the message or email shows up. If you request too many codes too quickly, Facebook may slow things down even more, so give it a minute or two, then try requesting the code again. If you're still not receiving anything, remove your VPN. A VPN can sometimes make Facebook think your login attempt is unusual or suspicious, which may block the code from being sent properly. Turn off the VPN completely, refresh the page, and try again without it. This simple step solves the issue for many people. Another helpful fix is to clear your browser cache. Old or corrupted browser data can interfere with Facebook login and verification pages. Go to your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies, then restart the browser and try requesting the code again. If you're using the Facebook app, you can also clear the app cache from your device settings if needed. If the code still does not arrive, check your spam or junk folder if you chose email verification. Sometimes the message gets filtered automatically and never appears in your main inbox. If you're using SMS, make sure your Messages app is working properly and that your inbox is not full or blocked. You can also try requesting a new code from a different device or browser. Sometimes the issue is specific to the browser session you're using. Switching devices, updating the app, or signing in from a fresh browser window can help Facebook send the code successfully. If none of these steps work, wait a little longer and try again later. Facebook systems can sometimes experience temporary delays, especially during high traffic or security checks. In many cases, the code starts arriving once the account request is retried after a short break. So to quickly recap, if Facebook's 6-digit verification code is not receiving, first, check your internet, make sure your phone number or email is correct, wait 1 to 2 minutes, remove your VPN, and clear your browser cache. These are the most effective first steps and solve the problem in most cases. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue and get your Facebook code working again. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.